Hello, my wonderful students, and welcome to this lecture on the grep command. The grep command is a command line utility for searching plain text data sets containing the word or phrase you are searching for. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. If you have not already done so, please go ahead and open up your terminal and move over to your desktop environment. Once your desktop is open, let's go ahead and exercise a previous command using touch to create a new text file called test.txt. Go ahead and open this file using the open command. Now that this file is open, let's go ahead and write hello, my name is Ben. And then again write hello, my name is Doug. And go ahead and save this by hitting Command S. And now let's come over to the left hand side of our page to see how to use the grep command. So the first thing we want to do is search for a single word in our test.txt file. And you can see the formula for doing so. Grep word file.txt. In this case, it is going to be grep hello test.txt because we want to search for the hello word. So let's type in grep hello test.txt. Now, before I run this, do you think there are any problems with this code? Well, if you think there are, then you are right. This will not run because grep is case sensitive, and hello, as you can see in our document, is actually an uppercase word. So go ahead and hit enter, and you'll see that nothing happens. So, in order to make this code run properly, we will have to type in grep hello with a capital H test.txt and go ahead and hit enter. And now you can see hello, my name is Ben and hello, my name is Doug is displayed. Now in this command, I hope you realize that we did not have any quotes to encapsulate our phrase. However, if you want to search a phrase of multiple words, you will need to use quotes. So let's go ahead and try to find is Doug in this line of code. So go ahead and write grep is Doug with quotes around it test.txt and go ahead and hit enter, and you will see hello, my name is Doug is now displayed. Finally, there are a number of options, i.e. flags, that are associated with the grep command. Often I will use the -i flag, which ignores upper and lowercase distinctions, or the -in flag to show each matching line with the line number. So that's all I have for this lecture. This is a super useful command, and you will find yourself using this quite a bit, especially when you start to learn how to code out large algorithms. So thank you all so much for listening. I look forward to seeing you all in the next lecture, and until then, happy learning!